used a hotel elevator at the Hotel Seurahuone Societeetshuset, Kokkola, Finland. The main elevator here. 5 persons of 4 occupiers.
There doesn't seem to be any camera surveillance.
No,
I did not notice anything.
No, it doesn't have it.
Oh.
I guessed went to the 5th floor. Built in 1943, revised in 1988. Actually replaced in 1988.
Yeah. We also discovered another
Completely original from 1943.
Yeah, I think it looked the same as this one. Quite the same.
Yes, it was. Yep, and modernized 1988, H3470R1447.
And it also looks like these folding indicators are completely original from 1988.
Yes.
So they give a little respect.
Still a very nice one.
Yeah.
Without any doors.
I just don't know where should I stand, but yeah, this is why I don't want to make a video right now.
It's gonna be inspected in 2020 the next year. Press 1. Look at the shaft, through the ventilations. It was visible. There was like probably a kind of a glazed top on it. Maybe.
I'd like to have a sort of a look.
When we go up to 6 again.
Oh, this is bottom drive traction.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
6.
666.
It starts immediately when they're closed.
Yeah, and
floor 1 is a half floor.
And also the machinery is replaced in 1988. So it's
Yeah.
not original from 1943.
No, it was replaced in 1988.
Oh yes, there is a window.
Yeah, actually.
Interesting.
Yeah, there is. But they should have put a glass window on this.
Yeah,
So where do we go now?
I'd like to see outside.
We see from us.
It's about there. Aw, stupid.
It's hard to see.
Like this.
Oh yeah.
You can check. You can try, Jonas. Oh, I think it's okay. Let's just shut these doors. That's enough.
Shall we take another full ride or?
Maybe I get off at the first floor.
Yeah.
So we can end our video at the first floor.
Yeah, I think I'll do it too. And then I could take another video maybe sometime later. Or tomorrow in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
So this hotel is owned by in Finlandia Hotels.
Yes.
And it's a 3-star hotel.
But I wonder...
3-star but amazing.
I would just wonder one thing. I think... do you believe this has ever since been like hotel? I mean, this building?
Well, probably yes.
I have a strong belief that
Yeah, I also believe, because it has been a hotel since 1894. And then the building was replaced in 1943.
And Kokkola is anyway a remarkable town or city.
Yes. It has always been. That's it.
That's it.